I want to talk about one fairly common mistake the VA makes. Now, this particular mistake usually plays out in the following way. A veteran files a claim, gets denied, and files a supplemental claim within 1 year. Now, that supplemental claim has a new medical opinion, and the VA ultimately grants the veteran the claim. But, and here's the mistake, the VA sets the effective date as the date of the medical opinion, or the date of the supplemental claim, not the date the initial claim was filed. I think the VA is pretty much always wrong when they do this. And while, we'll never know what's going through a particular rater's head when they make a decision, I think the mistake generally falls into two categories. The first is that the rater wasn't paying close enough attention for whatever reason. I'm sure you can think of a few. The second is that the rater misapplied one of the VA's effective date rules, and they're basically saying the date your entitlement arose was the date of the new medical opinion, or the date the supplemental claim was filed. Anyway, I tried to dive into an explanation of effective dates based on the date the entitlement arose, but it was getting too long and complicated for one video, at least for the videos that I like to make. So I'm going to do that later, hopefully soon. I want to spend the rest of this video talking about what you can do when this happens to you. The first thing you should do is slowly and carefully read the decision, more than once. Look for any reason the VA gave you for that particular effective date. Now, they may not give a reason. In fact, they probably won't, so there's probably not going to be anything in there. But if they did give a reason, you need to know about it so you can deal with it. Now, second, you're usually going to be able to fix this with a higher level review. Now, make sure you file a higher level review within 1 year of the decision. As always, submit a written letter with the higher level review form, and that letter just contains your argument, which explains what the VA got wrong. You shouldn't have to put a lot in there, just explain that your claim was continuously pursued and that there's an effective date error. And continuously pursued just means that you never let a year pass after a decision before you file an appeal of some kind. Now, higher level reviewers, from what I've seen, usually get this right and correct the error. But if they don't, you can appeal to the Board of Veterans' Appeals. All right, so what if you waited more than a year to deal with this mistake from the VA? Unfortunately, in that case, your only real option to fix that effective date is to file a Q claim. A Q, if you don't know, stands for clear and unmistakable error. And unlike most other things in the VA universe, a Q claim is a one-shot deal. And if you mess it up, that's it. So you should take Q claims very seriously. I know I do. And I don't want to turn this into a Q video, so I'll probably stop there, except that I'll add, talk to somebody before you file a Q claim. All right. I hope that video was helpful. Let me know in the comments what topics you want me to talk about in the future. And as usual, if you want me to help you with your claim, you can reach out to me through the links below. I'm Al Walsh, a veteran who likes to help other veterans. Thanks for watching.